Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get milliseconds. So, for the one more thing, it has one more thing attached to it called set millisecond, which gonna set the millisecond, and 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. This is all you need to know about before that tutorial. This tutorial, I mean. So create a path, says moon landing, and after that what we're gonna do is new date, and we'll pass July 20 comma 69 comma 00 comma and 20 and 18. So now we will set the millisecond. Moon landing dot use the set millisecond method, and paste 1 2 3. Just do this, and when you're done with that, what you need to do is log it on a console. Moon landing dot get millisecond get millisecond. It will give you the millisecond. Oh, there's an uncaught here. Get milliseconds. Oh, sorry about that. It's would be a second. Sorry about that. So get millisecond 1 2 3. If you like, if you want to do like 13, it would be giving you 13. So this is all about numbers. So yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.